Want to improve your English and learn something meaningful? These 5 short moral stories are perfect for beginners. If you understand them, it means your English is growing. And if not yet, don't worry, you're on the right path. Let's get started. The Empty Cup. One day, a wise teacher invited his students to his home. He wanted to share something important with them. As they sat down, the teacher filled a cup with water. He showed it to the students and asked, "What do you see?" "The cup is full," said one student. The teacher smiled. He then emptied the cup completely and asked again, "What do you see now?" The students were puzzled. "It's empty," they said. The teacher nodded and said, "Sometimes we feel full of thoughts, worries, or ideas. But to learn and grow, we must be empty, like this cup, ready to be filled with new things." The students understood. They realized that sometimes they needed to let go of old thoughts to make space for new ones. Moral: to grow and learn, you must first empty your mind and be open to new ideas. Do you ever feel like your mind is full? Try making space for something new today. The Little Seed. In a quiet garden, a little seed lay in the dirt. It was small and lonely, but it had a big dream. "I want to be a beautiful flower," the seed whispered. "I want to grow tall and bright." Days passed, and the little seed waited. It rained, and the sun shone, but the seed stayed in the dark soil. The little seed was feeling hopeless when it suddenly felt a tiny push. Roots began to grow from the bottom, and tiny green leaves peeked out of the soil. It was growing. Over time, the little seed turned into a strong plant with colorful flowers. It stood proudly in the garden, brighter than ever. The little seed had finally become the beautiful flower it had always dreamed of. Moral: even small beginnings can lead to great things if you keep growing. Are you working towards something big? Keep going, and one day you'll see your dreams bloom. The Lost Feather. One morning, a white feather floated down from the sky. It had fallen from a bird flying high above. The feather didn't know where it was going. The wind pushed it left, right, up, and down. "I'm lost," the feather thought. "I don't belong anywhere." It landed in a small garden. A little girl named Mia was sitting there, feeling sad. She looked up and saw the feather dancing in the air. It gently landed on her hand. She smiled for the first time that day. "It's beautiful," she whispered. She held it close and placed it in her notebook. From that day on, every time she felt sad, she looked at the feather, and it reminded her that even lost things can bring joy. The feather, once lost, had found its purpose. Moral: sometimes being lost helps you find where you truly belong. Even if you feel lost right now, remember that your purpose is waiting for you. Just like the feather, you may not know the way yet, but one day you will find where you belong and bring joy to others. The Kind Heart. In a quiet village, a poor boy named Aaron walked the streets with no shoes and an empty stomach. People passed him by, but no one stopped. One day, an old man sitting on a bench waved to him. "Come here, boy," the man said gently. Aaron walked over, and the old man handed him a warm piece of bread. "I don't have much," the man said, "but I can share." Tears filled Aaron's eyes. "Thank you, sir," he said, smiling for the first time in days. Years later, that same boy, now grown up, became a kind doctor in the village. He helped many people, always remembering the kindness of the old man. One day, a young child came to him, hungry and cold. Aaron gave the child food, a warm coat, and a smile. The kindness had been passed on. Moral: one small act of kindness can grow and change the world. Who can you be kind to today? Your small kindness might become someone's big hope.
The kind mango tree. There was once a big, beautiful mango tree in a small village. A little boy named Tim loved to play under its shade. He climbed its branches, swung from its limbs, and ate its sweet fruit every day. "Thank you, tree," Tim would say. The tree always smiled. Years passed. Tim grew up and stopped coming. The tree waited, season after season. It missed him. One day, a tired man returned to the village. It was Tim, older, sad, and poor. The mango tree whispered, "Tim, is that you?" Tim looked up and said, "I'm lost. I don't know what to do." The tree bent its branches and said, "Take my fruit. Sell it. Rest in my shade. I'm still here for you." Tim cried. He had forgotten the tree, but the tree had never forgotten him. He sat under it, just like before, and smiled again. Moral: never forget those who helped you when you had nothing. Now it's your turn. Who is someone you're thankful for? Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for watching these heart-touching stories. Which story was your favorite? What lesson did you learn today? Write it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that warm your heart and grow your English skills. Remember, you are growing every day, just like the little seed.